Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Origin while installing. You got an error. The installer encountered an error with install error code 20403. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, go ahead, launch your browser, open this particular EA app website and simply download the EA app. The EA has stopped the use of Origin and it is forcing us to use the EA app only. So you need to download the EA app, save it into your system and then install it. After installing, launch the EA app, and in the EA app you need to log in using your user ID and password, and all the applications and games installed in your system will be available right in the EA app. Go ahead, log in using your user ID and password, and once you are logged in, right in the library, all the applications, all the games that you have installed into your system will be shown right over here, and you do not need to install Origin. However, if you do not want to use EA app, go ahead, you need to download the offline Origin installer. Copy it, open up your browser, paste the link as it is and hit the enter key to download the offline installer of the Origin. Again, save it into your system. Once it is downloaded, launch the setup. Click on the option Install Origin. Select the options whichever you want. Accept terms and conditions and click on Continue installing. Now you can see the application has installed successfully. Log in and play your favorite games. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.